Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 9th day of June, 2025. We just closed the U.S. closed live trading room, and we could have taken any number of the trades that we usually take on a daily basis. The strong candle indicator is what we're going to use again today. We use it very, very often, and that's your strong candle indicator with the red arrow pointing down, meaning that's the trade we want to take off the body of the candle and go short. It was a very slow day today. PVI you can see is 31. I expect the next candle to be between 30 and 40 ticks in length. So we have to pair our ATM with the PVI. So we're going to be going for smaller targets today, 11s, 21s, and 41s, and we'll see how we go. Sometimes you can only take what the market's willing to give you. Okay, fantastic. We're going to sell off of this. We're going to put our cover order on first in case the market runs without retracing. If it retraces, we're going to pick this up, put it on the body of the candle, and take it short for 40 ticks. This is a trade that I got in the room for a small target. Others in the room had various degrees of success on this, and we'll show you the best case scenario of what happened. All right, here we go. So take it on. All right, it's a nice retrace. We can move this to the body of the candle. Beautiful. All right, now the reason we wait for the retrace is if this just wants to run long, fabulous, we'll just let it run. If it does fail here and picks us up, highly likely we're going to get paid after all these multiple failures at this particular level. So let's see how we go. First thing we do is put our stop where it belongs. Well, didn't have much time to do that. Took out our 10-tick target relatively quickly. Now, if it comes back and takes us out at break even, we'll get another order on, and we'll just re-enter the trade. Now you see our stop went from way up here all the way down to a break-even position. So I can't lose any money on this trade now. All we can do is root for the market to take us all the way down through the rest of our targets. All right, so 10s are out. We're at break-even position. And you can see how slow the market is today. All right, so it took us out at break-even. We'll put another order on. It's another retrace. That's fine. And another, so a double retrace. We had a break even on our first attempt. This is exactly what we did in the room. All right, now you would expect, since this came down, this is the second try to get past this green line. If it doesn't work out, this should go a lot further short than it did the first time. We'll wait till we get picked up and our first target's taken out, and then we'll speed it up a little bit. All right, let's put our stop where it belongs again. And we'll just speed it up slightly. Okay, targets filled again. So our first targets are at, we're in the break-even position again. And let's see what happens this time. If it takes me out at break-even again, I have an opportunity to get back in. So we're just hedging our bet. If the market wants to turn around and run long, we'll just let it. But if it keeps failing, we'll keep taking it short. All right, so 10s and 20s are out. And now we have a 40-tick target down here. Ooh, touched the 40 ticks, didn't pay. And eventually does pay. All right. That particular trade took less than 5 minutes to complete and is worth 440 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 440 US dollars in less than 5 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. And we'll look forward to seeing you in the US Close live trading room real soon. God bless you. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.